All right, guys. Hello, we're back on the channel, and today we have a special treat, an unboxing. This just came in overseas from Germany, and what do we have here? We have a box from Oberwerth. Let's pop this sucker open, and here it is. This is the green Leica M bag. And the Leica is the 100% recycled material bag. It's got these awesome little clasps that you just kind of literally like pop off like that, and they like magnetically just kind of snap back into place. Very, very nice. Open it up, boom. Nice handle, or I should say strap. It's got little things to clip stuff on as well. It's fully adjustable, of course. Inside here you can see it's a nice big open deep compartment. There's literally one divider. See how there's Velcro on both sides so it doesn't move from one side to the other? Kind of a nice way to do that. All right, so there you go. You can see that it's nicely stuck in there. There's a little spot in here for an SD card and maybe some batteries in this little pouch over here, and there's a little pouch back here if you want to put stuff. There's a nice little pouch in the front over here if you want to put stuff, and there's also a zippered pouch in the back if you want to put stuff that you're really concerned about or don't want it to have to fall out or anything like that. Super lightweight, super nice, has like a very kind of modern retro vibe, if that's what you want to call it. I just love the simplicity of it. I love that it's all recycled materials. And let me just show you what it looks like to put a camera in there. The MP film camera. I'm just going to put it in there. Boom. Wow, there's so much room in here actually. I could probably, yeah, easily. You see that? The MP is right there in the front. I've got a couple rolls of film. I can stuff those in there, and I can easily get an M10R and at least a 50 on this side as well. So it's a surprisingly roomy little bag. So they definitely thought this out when they developed it, of course. And I really have to say that these clasps are so intelligent and so smart. You know, really nice, really feels good, and I love it. Now that I'm working with Oberwerth, I can offer you guys a discount if you use the code ADAM10, Adam in the number 10, all one word, and that will get you a discount. That will get you 10% off on Oberwerth products. So go over to their website, check their stuff out, and if you want to buy anything or gift anything, because it's that time of year, if you use the code ADAM10, you'll save 10% on anything that you buy on their site. So there you go, guys, the Oberwerth Leica M bag. That's it for now. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we'll see you soon.